Are you ready to turn your Instagram account into a profitable business? Making money on Instagram is not only possible, but it's also becoming more and more popular as a way for influencers and businesses to earn income. Here are some more details on the different ways you can make money on Instagram. Sponsored posts are one of the most popular ways to earn money on Instagram. You can get paid by brands to create content that showcases their products or services. For example, if you're a fitness influencer, you can work with a sports nutrition brand to promote their protein powder by sharing a photo or video of yourself using the product in your workout routine. Or if you're a fashion blogger, you can collaborate with a clothing brand to create content featuring their latest collection. The possibilities are endless, and the amount you get paid can vary based on your follower count and engagement rate. Affiliate marketing is another way to make money on Instagram. By promoting other people's products or services through unique affiliate links, you can earn a commission for each sale made through your link. For example, if you're a food blogger, you can promote a kitchen appliance brand by sharing your favorite recipes and featuring the brand's product in your cooking videos. Or if you're a beauty influencer, you can recommend a skincare brand to your followers and provide a discount code for them to use when making a purchase. With affiliate marketing, you don't need to create your own products or manage inventory, making it a low-risk option for monetizing your Instagram account. Selling your own products or services is another way to make money on Instagram. If you have a passion or expertise in a particular area, you can create your own products or services and promote them on your Instagram account. For example, if you're a graphic designer, you can sell your digital designs such as templates, logos, or social media graphics through your Instagram account. Or if you're a fitness coach, you can offer online coaching services or sell workout guides through your Instagram account. If you have a significant following on Instagram, you can offer shoutouts to other accounts for a fee. For example, if you have a fashion account with a large following, you can offer a shoutout to a small boutique fashion brand looking to reach a new audience. Or if you have a travel account, you can offer a shoutout to a travel agency looking to promote a new tour package. You can set your own rates based on your follower count and engagement rate, and it can be a simple way to earn some extra cash. If you have expertise in a certain area, you can offer coaching or consulting services through your Instagram account. For example, if you're a business coach, you can offer one-on-one coaching services to entrepreneurs looking to grow their businesses. Or if you're a nutritionist, you can offer personalized meal plans and nutrition advice to your followers. You can promote your services through your Instagram account and use direct messaging to communicate with potential clients. Making money on Instagram requires dedication and hard work. But with the right strategies, it can be a lucrative business. The key is to be authentic, genuine, and provide value to your followers. By building a loyal following and staying true to your brand, you can turn your Instagram account into a successful and fulfilling business. So why not start exploring the different ways you can make money on Instagram today?